Plant variety. There are more than 3 lakh species of plants. They show a wide diversity of forms and lifestyles ranging, for example, from delicate liverworts adapted for life in a damp habitat to cacti capable of surviving in the desert, and from herbaceous plants such as corn which completes its life cycle in 1 year to the giant redwood tree which can live for thousands of years. This diversity reflects the adaptations of plants to survive in a wide range of habitats. This is seen most clearly in the flowering plants, phylum Angiospermophyta, which are the most numerous with over 250,000 species and the most widespread, being found from the tropics to the poles. Despite their diversity, plants share certain characteristics. Typically, plants are green and make their food by photosynthesis, and most plants live in or on a substrate such as soil and don't actively move. Algae kingdom Protista and fungi kingdom fungi are some plant-like characteristics and are often studied alongside plants although they are not true plants. Green algae, micrograph of Desmid, Microsteria species. Pyrenoid, small protein body, chloroplast, cell wall, sinus, division between two halves of cell. Bryophyte, moss, bryum species, leaf, sporophyte, spore producing plant, seta, stalk, immature capsule, site of spore production, gametophyte, gamete producing plant. Flowering plant, bromeliad, acanthostaceous, strobylacea, leaf, spine, flower, bract, leaf-like structure, inflorescence, stem. Fern, tree fern, Dexonia antarctica. Rachis, main axis of pinnet leaf, petiole, leaf stalk, ramentum, brown scale, base of dead frond, leaf, adventitious root, epiphytic fern growing at base, trunk, midrib of pinna, leaflet, front, leaf, pinna, leaflet. Flowering plant, succulent, Cedrostis africana, petiole, leaf stalk, leaf, stem, codex, solent stem base, root. Flowering plant, micrograph of cross-section through leaf of maram grass, Ammophila arenaria. Cuticle, waterproof covering, stiff trichome hair, interlocked trichomes hairs, hinge cells cause curling of leaf to reduce water loss. Mesophyll, photosynthetic tissue, epidermis, outer layer of cells, xylem, phloem, vascular tissues, sclerenchyma, strengthening tissue. Flowering plant, Kush grass, Agropyron repens, Rachis, main axis of grass inflorescence, Caryopsis, type of dry fruit, node, sheathing leaf base, round hollow stem, lamina blade, adventitious root. Flowering plant, pitcher plant, Sarracenia purpurea. Fruit surrounded by fluoropods, sepal, umbrella of style, pedicel flower, stalk, hood, downward pointing hair encourages insect prey into pitcher, wing, immature pitcher, leaf modified to trap insects.